Hi everyone, Jessica here, your Facebook marketing coach. And this week's tip, how do I increase engagement on my business Facebook page? Well, we all know that Facebook reduces our organic reach when it comes to pages. And what that means is how many people see our page posts for free. So it is difficult to increase engagement on your Facebook page for free, but there are a couple of things that you can do. One, people love stories. So tell a story about yourself or an experience that you had or an experience that your customers have had. Tell a story, add pictures and add videos. Another suggestion is to ask questions. Sometimes a simple question with a colored background on your Facebook page can generate engagement. And what we want and what Facebook wants is people starting a conversation. So if your page post can encourage people to start a conversation, it's going to reach more people for free. So if people are tagging themselves or commenting on your posts, take that extra step as well to like and reply to every comment. Perhaps ask an open-ended question. That way it keeps the conversation going. These tips and more are in my upcoming online course that I'm putting together at the moment called How to Confidently Promote Your Business on Facebook Without Hiring a Social Media Manager. If you're interested in learning more and like to know the launch date, please send me a private message. Thanks everyone. I'll talk to you next week. Bye.